We're off to the main falls today on Siquijor, which are called Cambugahay something. We're going to put it on the screen because we can't say it. Hopefully our bike tire will hold out today.
So at the falls there should be a raft that we can go float on.
Oh, like a bamboo raft?
Yeah, bamboo raft. And there is also a rope swing. Hopefully they're still there. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, well done Jake. That was so good. Wow. And that's why I'm not driving. Okay, this is probably the worst road we've come across so far. Tyres popped again. It's gone flat. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah.
Don't really know what to do.
We're just kind of cruising along, hoping that we see somewhere.
Down here. No. Lifesaver.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. What's your name?
Diana.
Diana, Tiffany. This is Jake.
Nice to meet you. Some serious hospitality.
Here we are again.
There is a hole.
There's a hole.
Why?
We got it fixed yesterday.
Yes.
So I'm just wondering if it's the same hole.
You have two flat tire na.
Yeah. Oh yeah, wow. Look at that, it's stretched as well. Would it be possible to get a new one of these?
If we buy it new.
Yeah. So this inner tube seems like it's busted. There's like a hole in it, and when he blows it up, the rubber stretches and gets really thin. So he's gone to the store to see if he can buy another one and then replace it. People are so nice here. They'll just like drag you in off the side of the road and just like fix your bike for you. As well as to be an inner tube. That was 150 pesos.
Just in danger. Because I just think like if we had to get a taxi.
Yeah, just in 300, yeah.
Hi Diana, thank you so much. Bye Rocky. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Wow, how lucky was that? Didn't take very long either, really. Like half an hour? 45 minutes?
People of the Philippines.
Yeah.
Incredible.
It's funny because every time you talk to someone about the Philippines, they're always like, "Ooh, yeah, very dangerous, very dangerous."
Yeah.
Hello. It doesn't seem dangerous.
They've saved our asses so many times.
Okay, right. Let's kick it into high gear and try and get to the waterfalls. Hopefully it's not too busy.
Yeah, just feeling very grateful right now. We love you, Philippines.
Very grateful. Okay, we've just got quite a lot of cool pictures here. Now it's time for some fun. All of the rope swings and the rafts are 50 pesos each, and now Tiff is walking to go get on the big rope swing.
higher jump. It's 8 meters.
Oh, really?
You want to do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Jake's up there. He's doing the higher one. Go then!
This guy just came off the top one and just belly flopped right by the bottom. I hope that doesn't happen to Tim. Oh, she's dried her hands. I think she's ready to go. Oh, oh, please that wasn't a belly flop. You okay? You good? Okay. Show you how high it is looking down from the top. Can I just throw these down? Oh, oh, that's pretty good. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay. Here. And bend.
So this is how high it is.
3, 2, 1.
Gonna go for a walk up the waterfall, see what's up there? Yeah, nice. I can't do it with one arm. There's another waterfall and another rope swing, and they got bamboo rafts up here as well.
So what do you think of the waterfall so far, Jake?
So sick, so worth a visit.
This is the 3rd level of the waterfalls, and then there's another level up there that's just kind of flat.
And this is the top.
You've changed?
No. How much?
15.
15.
It's a buttered barbecued banana with sugar in it. It's got like a hard outer coating.
Because of being cooked.
It's like chewy, this bit.
They're like a sweet.
And then on the inside it's all gooey. It's delicious. This is the first thing we've eaten today.
Yeah. That's good.
It is, isn't it?
The banana isn't as sweet as I thought it was going to be.
No.
It's tasty.
Yeah. It's getting pretty busy right now.
Really busy.
What time did we get here?
We got here at like 20 to 9. And it wasn't that busy, but...
I think at about like 11 o'clock it started, like people just started coming down like in droves, like there was loads of them. So yeah, I guess get here before like 10 o'clock and you probably have most of it to yourself.
If our tyre didn't burst, we would have been the first people here, I reckon.
Probably, yeah. Oh, this place is awesome. So cool. Jake's over there. He had to go one more time before we go. Couldn't resist. Jake in the background. We're gonna go see if we can drive the coastal road, and we're gonna pray and hope that the tide doesn't go again. Wish us luck.
Okay. That was so sick.
Third time that our tire's gone flat.
That might change our plans. We might have to stay here another day.
Yeah.
Hey! Flat tyre.
Yeah, flat tire. Are you sure?
Yes.
I think you. What's your name?
Jan.
Jan and Tiffany. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, just go. It's fine. Thank you so much. It's Jan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Walking up the hill. Oh. Try and get a signal. Hello. I rented a bike from you. And the tires, the inner tubes pop. Okay, so there's nothing you can do to help. Goodbye. This has been a bit of a nightmare, but the guys here at Mimi's Haven, they've rented us another bike for only 100 pesos. It's been really nice. So Tiff can ride that one, and then I can ride the broken one and hopefully get it fixed, and then we'll ride back to the port, take the boat back. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You give it to me?
Yeah, 100.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's the last time we fix this bike. We're gonna go drop it off now. It's gone. We got rid of it. We gave it back. We spent about 800. So we
No, we spent more. Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah.
yeah. So
About
we rented
800.
the bike for 800,
and we
spent 800 fixing it. Oh my god! I'm so pleased we haven't got it anymore.
They just got this chocolate bun for 5 pesos.
It looks good. It doesn't look like chocolate though.
Pretty good.
No. Not like anything I've had before.
Really?
No. But it's tasty. It tastes like taro.
Oh, maybe it is.
Try. You tell
It's
me.
like purpley as well.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's good. It's really tasty.
Mm. Wow, that's
I
yummy.
need to eat so bad. I'm like running on empty. Remember?
I'm okay.